Students, Namaskar. Today we are going to discuss some examples related to addition of matrices and scalar multiplication of matrices. Okay. So let one example 3.2 sixth example. Simplify cos theta matrix cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta in matrix sin theta minus cos theta sin theta. So we have to simplify this addition and scalar multiplication. First of all, LHS, this is LHS. I do not write here, but remember this is LHS. Okay. And then next step, how to simplify. See, first we have to multiply scalar with matrix, and we know we have to multiply this scalar with all elements of matrix. So cos theta into cos theta cos square theta, cos theta into sin theta is sin theta cos theta, multiplication. Cos into minus sin is minus sin theta cos theta. Okay. And cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. This is first multiplication plus then sin theta, multiply sin theta. So sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta. Sin theta into minus cos theta is minus sin theta cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta is sin theta into cos theta. Then sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta. Clear? Okay. Now plus mean we have to add both the matrix, and in addition, how to add? Simply we add the corresponding component. So this is 1 component, this is 1 component, so we have to add cos square theta plus sin square theta here. See. Okay, then here sin theta cos theta plus, but this is negative element, so minus sin theta cos theta. Next, minus sin theta cos theta we write here, and plus sin theta cos theta. Next, cos square theta plus sin square theta here. Simple. Now remember the formula of sin theta cos theta. So sin cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta is 0. See. Okay. Minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta is 0, and cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So this is the answer. So very simple. First we multiply scalar with matrix, scalar multiply with matrix, and then adding both the matrix. Let's another example. Find matrix X and matrix Y if 2x plus 3y equal to 2, 3, 4, 0 and 3x plus 2y equal to 2 minus 2 minus 1, 5. This is given. So this matrix equation given, this is the matrix equation, and from the matrix equation we have to find matrix X and matrix Y. Okay, let's say this is equation 1, say this is equation 2. Simply we use elimination method, and in elimination we know we have to making equal coefficient of any one variable. So here coefficient is 2 of x and here coefficient is 3 of x. So let me multiply equation 1 solve by 1 into 3, mean equation 1 multiply by 3. So 2 3s are 6 x plus 3 3s are 9 y equal to, also right side multiply 3 to each element. So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 zeros are 0. Clear? Okay. Next, this is equation 2 by 2 into minus 2. Multiply minus 2. So 3 into minus 2 minus 6x plus 2y into minus 2 is minus 4y, equal to multiply right side each element by minus 2. So 2 into minus 2 minus 4, 2 into minus 2, minus 2 into minus 2 is 4, minus 1 into minus 2 is 2, 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. Now by adding these two equations, here 6x, here minus 6x, it will be cut. When we adding 9y minus 4y, what remain? 5y. Okay, then 6 minus 4, addition, corresponding components addition. So 6 minus 4 is 2, 9 plus 4 is 13, 12 plus 2, 14, 0 minus 10 is minus 10. So now 5y is this matrix. So what is y? Simply 5 divide each element. So y equal to 2 by 5, see, 13 by 5, 14 by 5 and minus 10 by 5 is minus 2. So this is y. Okay, also we have to find x. So simply equation 1 multiply by minus 2, this is equation 1 multiply by minus 2. Again we have to eliminate x, y, that's why we get equation and we have matrix x. Let's now multiply equation 1 by minus 2. So minus 4x minus 6y equal to, multiply minus 2 here. So minus 4 minus 6 multiply minus 2. So minus 8. 0 into minus 2 is 0. Now multiply equation 2 by 3. Equation 2 multiply 3. 3 3s are 9x. 3 2s are 6y equal to 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6 but negative. So minus 6. 3 1s are 3 but minus 1. So negative minus and 5 3s are 50. Again here we eliminate y because coefficient of y is minus 6. Coefficient of y is 6. Okay, so by adding both the equation, by adding we get minus 4x plus 9x is 5x, minus 6y plus 6y cancel. Now addition of matrix on right side also. Minus 4 plus 6 is 2, minus 6 minus 6 is minus 12, minus 8 minus 3 is minus 11, and 0 plus 15 is 15. So this is 5x. So what is x? Divide 5 each component. So 2 by 5 minus 12 by 5, minus 11 by 5, minus 15 by 5 is 3. Clear? So this is y, this is x. So this is the way. Some more example also given in your textbook. Let's example 3.212. Find variable x, y, z and w if 3 into x, y, z, w equal to x, 6 minus 1, 2, w plus 4x plus y, z plus w 3 is given. So first of all, 3 multiply each component, scalar multiplication, plus equal to this matrix plus this matrix. So 3x, 3y, 3z, 3w. This is the scalar multiplication. And on the right side we adding both the matrix, corresponding element x plus 4 here, 6 plus x plus y is here, minus 1 plus z plus w is here, 2w plus 3 is here. Now comparison, equality of matrix, corresponding components equal. So 3x equal to x plus 4. Comparison, 3x equal to x plus 4. X taking left side. So 1x subtract, 2x remain equal to 4. 2x equal to 4. So x equal to 2. Very simple. Just compare the corresponding element. Then 3W equal to 2W plus 3, corresponding element. 3W equal to 2W plus 3. 2W taking left side, it will be subtract. So what remain? W equal to 3 is remain. Next, 3W equal to minus 1 plus Z plus W. So Z taking left side, subtract from 3Z, so 2Z remain, minus 1 plus W, but W is 3, so we replace W by 3. What remain here? Minus 1 plus 3 is 2, so 2Z equal to 2, so Z equal to 1. Very simple. Next, then last 3y equal to 6 plus x plus y. But what is x? Remember, x is 2. So 3x equal to 6 plus x plus y. Y taking left side, subtract. So 3y minus y is 2y. But what is x? X is 2. So 6 plus 2 here. This is 8. So 2y equal to 8. So what is y? 4. Very simple. X2, W3, Z equal to 1 and y equal to 4. Simple. Use your knowledge of scalar multiplication, addition and comparison. Okay. Same example here. Find x, y, z and t if 2 into x, z, y, t plus 3 into 1 minus 1, 0, 2 equal to 3 into 3, 5, 4, 6. Simply, first you have to multiply 2 in matrix plus 3 in matrix equal to 3 in matrix. Let's see. Solution. 2x, 2z, 2y, 2t. See. Okay. Plus 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. 3 into 0 is 0. 3 into 2 is 6. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 3 6s are 18. Now addition. 2x plus 3, 2z minus 3, 2y plus 0, 2t plus 6 equal to this matrix. Comparison. 2x plus 3 equal to 9. 3 taking right side, 6 remain. 2x equal to 6, x equal to 3. Very simple. Next, corresponding elements comparison. Okay, so 2z minus 3 equal to 15. Okay. 2z minus 3 equal to 15 is here. Minus 3 left side. So addition in 15, it will be 18. So 2z equal to 18, z equal to 9. Then 2y equal to 12. 2y equal to 12, so y equal to 6 because 2 divide. 2t plus 6 equal to 18. 2t plus 6 equal to 18. 6 taking right side. It will be subtract from 18. So 18 minus 6 is 12. 2t equal to 12. T equal to 6. So your answer is x equal to 3, y equal to 6, z equal to 9, t equal to 6. So you have to write all 4 examples 2 times and these are also 2 times. Write your homework. 3.2, 7, 1. 3.2, 8, 9, 11. All are the example of 3.2. You have to solve. All are of the same method. Illustration 8, 9, 10, 11 also same example and very simple. They are also calculated. So you have to write all these 8 and these 4 plus 4, 8 plus these 4, 12 example 2 times. And if you not get proper, you have to see more time video and you have to calculate also more time. Thank you.